In today's episode, we found a parts car we disassembled to replace the broken parts on Streep Donkie. Stay tuned to see how we got there and what parts we got at the end.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to share an adventure with you that we had as part of our parts hunting to Winterveld.
Yes.
It was quite an experience.
An adventure indeed.
An adventure indeed. And it took us to Winterveld. We found a donor car online, also a Passat, and I am grateful to say that we have managed to salvage quite a few parts that were necessary. You will see that in this second episode, the right hand side headlight, I have fixed it up. So I was fortunate enough to obtain one of those lights from the donor car, which I was very grateful for. But on our way there, it was deep rural. Let's call it deep rural, and we went with my bakkie, with my pickup, and you will see that some of the places looked a bit like a 4x4 route, as the insert will show you.
Ik staan op de kar op 4 blokke. Reiner neemt een video nou, maar dit is zo half een beetje laat. Nou, dit is laat bij die voorbij te geweest. 4 uur weer.
Okay, as you can see, it was quite an adventure, yeah, the guys were very friendly, and they helped us strip the parts that we needed. I think that there was some of the parts that I would have liked that I probably missed. At the time, I did not have a car with me, so we did not have the car with us to reference the spare parts that we need. So some of the parts that I purchased were parts that I don't really need, but because these parts are very scarce and very rare to come by, I have decided to take them anyway. For example, the rear lights, those are scarce like hen's teeth, and as it is, the Streep Donkie, the right hand side indicator, the yellow portion is broken, so I've managed to get that as well, which I'm very grateful for. Check out the process of stripping with us.
Guys, we were fairly successful in our quest to obtain some spare parts for our bull run car, and so yeah, we are heading back now.
Turn right.
Bit of rough terrain here, but I guess we are on our way back.
Okay, as you can see, we were fairly busy to strip the car, and we made it home safely. I think some of the areas seemed a little bit dodgy, but we made it home safe, and here are the parts that we managed to get. Okay, so we managed to find a parts car, and we
we took quite a few things off it. This is a original Volkswagen boot spoiler. It's a bit rough around the edges, but I will fix it up as nice as I can. You can see that it is the original black, but it was color coded for the car. But I think this was a good find. And then this is a grill. I think my car's grill is good, but I think the space for those cars are becoming very scarce. So I took this anyway. I can see that there are some of the clips that are broken off, but I will probably manage to fix that. So, and you will remember that the right hand light on my car is broken, and the video that I made where I fixed it up, that was before we managed to find this parts car. So I've got two good lights, which I'm very happy about, and then these two rear lights, left and right, they are nice enough. I can see that they've got some minor cracks, but they are not broken. So my car's right rear lens is broken, so I'm very happy about that find. And then this, my car does not have the original air filter housing, and I can see that this was fixed up at some point, but I don't care, because at least this is the original filter. So, and I actually wondered where I will find such a thing, and now I've got one. I will fix it up better than what it is fixed. And then I got this. I can see that this is probably not in the best of shapes. My car's got the ref counter, and this one has got the clock, which I'm not interested in. But what I am interested in is this clock has got the gears at the back. My car's gears are worn, so the trip counter doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to use this as parts for that. And then this is like a treasure chest. This fuel cap I actually took just for the stickers, and I will see which cars is best, mine or this one, and then I will choose which one I will use. I guess that will clean up nicely. And this is the engine mounting, which I just took because I can, and also a fuel cap. And these is the boot light, the lights for the boot. I'm not sure whether this is actually for the inside of the boot, or whether this is for the number plate. This might be for the number plate, but I've got it. So there are two of them. This is the other one, and then I managed to find two of these door handles. They are very rare, very rare, and I'm very glad that I could obtain this. So, and also I got some handles. My car's handles are intact, but you never know what happens tomorrow, so I've got some spares. And I also got these doorknobs, which I'm very chuffed about, because all four of mine is missing. So I'm very glad about this. And then got some of these covers, these little covers. Those are fairly scarce, I would guess. So yeah. And then I got some bits and bobs. switches, because switches go wrong. They do. So I've got the space for that, which I'm very glad about, and some of the trims for the internal door handles. And this is the brake, the emergency, the handbrake indicator. And, some minor things. Okay, and then I've got these two window mechanisms, which I did not know that I said I wanted them, but now I've got them. And those 4 headrests. This is a car that has 4 headrests. I actually wanted to take the rear seat as well, but the rear seat wasn't good enough for me to consider. So, but those I will have them covered, recovered, and I'll have them recovered, and they will look nice. The material is slightly different from what I've got in my car, but maybe I can cover them in leather. I don't know. I'll decide about that. So yeah, this is our space.